An opportunity that we gave you a little bit of a head start because we just got it back in stock and we only brought in a little bit more than 1,200. This is your NassifMD DecoLift Neck Firming Complex Serum Duo. And that's exactly what you're getting to this. You want to firm the appearance of that skin. You're absolutely doing it in that neck area and in that décolleté area. It's that state-of-the-art neck formulation that Dr. Nassif will break down to you. It's actually over 50% off and you're saving more than you are spending. For less than the price of one, we're giving you two. And they are both full size at 1.7 ounce. 594-710 is the item number. Not only is this exclusive, it also is not on auto ship. So if you want to pick up a couple of these, you absolutely can do so. Dr. Paul Nassif is with us live from his office. Are you in your Beverly Hills office?
No, I'm actually at home today in Orange County, California. And I got the ocean over there, but I was operating, you know, especially yesterday, we were operating all day and I'm doing actually a neck lift. And I want to explain how this works. But first, while I'm talking to you all about this better than a BOGO, I want you to look at the befores and afters. And you're going to stare at these before and afters as I explain them to you. Hopefully they'll pop them up here in just a second. But the neck is something, and the décolleté, which does not have great sebaceous glands. Those are the healing glands of the face and neck and parts of your body. And when you don't have a lot of them, you don't heal that great. In other words, you get wrinkles a lot easier. The tone, the texture starts to fail. It gets dehydrated. And right now, what you're looking at, that was a décolleté. And a lot of us, for example, would put baby oil on our skin growing up. I'm sure a bunch of you can relate to that. And we damage the skin. Now, let's stay here for a minute. Don't move past this before and after. I want to explain this something to everyone. So, patient comes in, Dr. Nassif, and they pull their neck. They want a deep plane neck lift, shall we say, and get those jowls lifted. Now, one thing, my surgery does not do, my scalpel has limitation. It does not have the ability to help with the wrinkles, with the tone, the texture of the skin. If you look at this before and after, and now you're getting 3.4 ounces. You're getting two of these, which should last a good 4 to 5 months. You're seeing the results after 6 weeks. You see those wrinkles, how they've improved. The texture and the tone dramatically improved. Now, here's the décolleté. Those are right in between the bust line. You see the crepey skin.
Wow.
You see the tone and texture is off. This is only 1 month, twice daily. And let's keep going because we have a bunch of these to show you. And then we can even go to my telestrator later on if we like. And when you look at the fine lines and wrinkles, Nicole, here.
Wow.
You see that, you know, the vertical muscle called the platysma, how you have elevation. You see the jawline. You actually see the crepey skin. All this improved. She's 67. Unfortunately, the neck skin doesn't really do well with aging, and a lot of it's genetics. And as I mentioned, my neck lift is going to help remove extra skin, help tighten the muscles, but it does not help with the fine lines and wrinkles, with poor texture, poor crepey skin, poor skin quality. And then you see the difference. Now, here we go.
Wow.
61 years of age, 6 weeks, used twice daily. And you see the improvement. If you look at those, what we call horizontal rhytids, you see the definitive improvement. And this is a product too, besides the neck and the décolleté, I want you to use this twice a day, also in your jaw line. And that's why we have this. So we're getting two of these. Mm-hmm. Nicole, I love saying that, better than a BOGO.
I know.
You know, and then we'll have Donna or Kelly here show you an incredible live demonstration after you talk about it.
I mean, truly, yeah, it is better than a buy one, get one in this duo because it purchased separately, the retail is $124. You're getting both of them at $45. So really for less than the price of one, now you're getting two and you have the free shipping and handling. So Don's gonna show you how to use this, but if you're seeing yourself in any of those befores, or even if you feel like you're creeping closer to that, you don't know what to utilize, and we all know a tech neck is a real thing too, so we're even exercising and bending and kind of creating these creases, even kind of fast-tracked it more than what agent is already doing for us. So I would love to hear, Donna, because I mean, Donna, come on, your neck, your décolleté, that's a young looking neck and décolleté.
That's because I've been using this product ever since I started noticing that I was getting lines and I was getting wrinkles in my neck and décolleté, sorry. And I started using this product and I see a remarkable difference. I think it's taken years off of my neck and deck. And you know, as much as we can take care of our face and our hands and everything, this gives away your age just as much as anything else does. So it's important to take care of it. And I use it every day, twice a day when I get out of the shower, the neck and DecoLift, and it really has made a difference for me.
Absolutely. If you're wondering why her lips look so good, we have the HydroScreen lip treatment. That's a two-pack. The HydroScreen serum. We have that, the hydrating serum as well. So there's a lot of great things that we've been featuring in the beginning of the hour. But now we're really trying to get into that area that most of us probably forget about, which is that neck and décolleté area. So I'd love for you to go ahead and get this. We just got this back in stock. We brought in a little bit more than 1,200. It's not available on auto ship. So make sure if you want to pick up a couple of these because the price is just so good. So we're 50% off. So you're off our HSN deal price. So you're saving more than you're spending. And look at this. I want Dr. Nassif to walk us through this because you look at the before, there's the after. That's 6 weeks, twice daily. I mean, that's a new neck, Dr. Nassif.
How many more?
Well, that is. I mean, remember this, for example, is the platysma. And you can see already we have some, you can see that it's even more firm. Two, this is a very deep horizontal righted from laxity of the skin, because we start to lose elastin in the collagen fibers. You can see the improvement there. And then here, take a look at these wrinkles, and you can see how they're diminished.
Wow.
Remember, 6 weeks, 72 years of age. You can even start this in your 30s if you want. When we talk about here, those are the little muscles, again, that we're starting to see. But take a look here. And then now look at this.
Incredible.
And in addition, if you look even around the jawline, you'll start seeing an improvement there. And remember, the décolleté is an area definitely that, as we age, this area, especially when you want to wear a dress, this is in between the bust line and you got this crepey, skin that looks irregular with all these wrinkles. I mean, who want to remember this is after a month? Yes, wow. Results are going to vary, but look at the difference. Obviously, we know, it's the same person,
right?
Because you see, that result right there. And let me go through a few more of these with you. Here we go. Again, in between the bust line, voila, they disappear. And again, you can see the texture of the skin. So who wouldn't want these results? And when I'm doing a neck lift, we're usually bringing in the laser after I do the neck lift. And we use a great Cyton laser, for example, Moxie or Halo, and we bring it in. And again, you got downtime. There's always risk with doing procedures. But I'm trying to tell all of you, I'm not substituting this from what we do in the operating room. But I'm telling you, if you look at these results, and you start early, our goal is to deliver these clinically grade, premium quality results. I mean, the ingredients to your skin with the ethyl absorbic acid and also all the peptides we have here. And as I'm going to show you one more, here we go. Take a look at this.
Wow.
And I know I'm spending time, but look at the lifting power here. Okay, now hold on, that's one. Now look here at these horizontal rhytids and the crepey skin. Look how they improved. And one thing I want to tell you also, when we talk about, the HydroScreen, the weekly deal drop, which is super hydrating, if we can get you to do the 1-2 punch to your neck and décolleté, you start with this. So you're going to start with, as you just saw Donna apply it, and then you're going to do the weekly deal drop. And so the 1-2 drop as a combination to your neck and also your décolleté, my goal is to keep that area looking as young as possible. And remember, as a facial plastic surgeon, what I'm doing when I'm doing a lift, I'm making my incisions all the way behind the ear, back down the hairline, going in front of the ear. I'm doing a deep plane facelift, which is lifting up in here. Now, and immediately, because of the swelling, all your wrinkles are gone. Your skin looks hydrated. Your texture is incredible. And they go, Dr. Nassif, you actually took care of my skin quality. I said, no, unfortunately, once the swelling goes away, I'm helping lift your skin, but it's not helping with the skin texture, the tone, the loss of hydration, and the fine lines and wrinkles. And when I bring all these key ingredients together with the décolleté, and the DecoLift. It actually, the Elastoderm C complex, it's bringing you clinical grade, proven ingredients that are very, very effective. And again, as a facial plastic surgeon, Nicole, I cannot, shall we say, cheapen, shall we say, my brand and the key ingredients I'm bringing to you. No matter what the value is, they're still the same incredible ingredients from NassifMD.
I mean, the only brand here brought to us by a surgeon, someone who really knows the skin from the inside out, and that's why you see beautiful results like that. Give it a try. Feel free to use it on a flex pay. I mean, get it home for $15. Got the free shipping and handling. You got 30 days. But if you're noticing the aging in the neck and décolleté, and then we all get it even faster than what we anticipated because of looking down electronics and all these different things, give this one a try. 594-710 is the IM number. That's not on auto ship. Consistency.